Alemanya. Wala pa. Bandung.
Present, ma'am.
Barcelona. Barcelona.
Ma'am, loading pa daw ang Miss Barcelona, ma'am.
Okay.
Pero
Bagpi.
naman niya,
Present,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Takutan.
Present, ma'am.
Colomer. Wala. Coronado.
Present, ma'am.
Calango. Wala si Calango. Delgado. Evangelista.
Present, ma'am.
Gomera.
Present, ma'am.
Golanes. Lalis.
Present, ma'am.
Lalis.
Present, ma'am.
Marquez.
Ma'am.
Montaner.
Present, ma'am.
Nicolas. Sino na?
Ma'am,
Palma.
ma'am.
Palma. Wala si Palma. Pisau.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Prieto. Wala. Roble. Sulian.
Present, ma'am.
Sumpia. Tabugon. Villa Flores.
Present, ma'am.
William Hill.
Present, ma'am.
Bisaya.
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am Prieto, present, ma'am.
Prieto, present. Wait lang ha. Ina, natawag na lahat.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Putol-putol ko or klaro lang? Okay lang. Hello?
Klaro, ma'am.
Klaro, dili siya putol?
Dili, ma'am.
Dili? Okay, sige.
So we will start now with our next topic. So before that, di ba last meeting, may pinagawa ako na DFD for level 1 ba to? Sa holiday travel? If I'm not mistaken, tama ba? Hello?
Ma'am.
Putol ko or dili?
Klaro na, ma'am.
Okay na. Naglag ganina?
Gamay, ma'am. Or sa ako lang guro to, ma'am.
Kauban sa uban. Maklaro siya or nagalag ko?
Okay lang, ma'am.
Sige. So we'll proceed to ERD. So by next meeting, I will give additional examples for you to work on for the DFD and ERD. Okay? So
Okay, ma'am.
I know that you have already studied ER diagram in your database. Am I correct? Tama, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is just a review of your ER diagram. Basin nalimta na? Or are you still using it every time you program a system? Ginagamit pa ba? Always? So meaning to say, na-remember pag it's ER diagram? Ha? So when you create a database, anong ginagawa nyo? You do not create ER diagram. Diretso na mo? So yung ginahibo? Ha? Ginadiretso na ninyo. Okay. So, I will just give a review on the concepts and elements of ER diagram, or it is known as the data modeling. So when you say data modeling, can you read my screen? Can you see my
Yes,
screen,
ma'am.
no? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So when you
Yes,
say
ma'am.
data modeling, it is a technique to document a software system using diagrams and symbols. Okay. Now, it is also used to represent communication of data. So if you want to represent communication of data, you use data modeling. Now, the highest level of abstraction for the data model is called the entity relationship diagram or your ER diagram. Now, we know that ER diagram is a graphical representation of data requirements for a database. Now, it is very important siya in ER diagram, especially if you use Lucidchart. Diretso na siya. If you create an ER diagram from Lucidchart, you can just import it to your to MySQL, kung yun ang ginagamit nyo, automatic, mag-create na siya og database for you. So that's why, pag tama na ang ER diagram, it will automatically be converted into a database. Have you tried using it, using Lucidchart, tapos you created an ER diagram and then it converted readily to database? Wala pa.
Not yun, ma'am. Like,
Ha?
listed lang siya pa-work, ma'am.
So ginadiretso na lang niyo instead of creating an ER diagram. Tama? Okay. However, inside system analysis and design, you need to create an ER diagram to graphically represent the data requirements. You don't need to identify kung anong type of data siya, but kailangan mo lang, you just need to identify kung ano yung what are the entities and their relationship, and also the identifier. Okay? Mahiligid mong shortcut, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, that's why di ay naglisod sa It's because shortcut tanan. Okay, now the main value of carefully constructing an ERD is that it can readily be converted into a database structure. Okay? Ang ano kasi nitong ER diagram, if the system is very complex, mas madali siya if you create an ER diagram. Kasi ma-convert na siya diretsyo. And sometimes din from your database, pwede mo rin siyang i-export papuntang lucid chart so that you will see the attributes and the entities. Madiretso na siya mapopulate ang inyong table. Okay? Now, we all know that there are three components of ERD. The first is the entities. Diba? Sa entities is represented sa database as rows. Tama? Okay.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
the attributes are the columns in your database. Tama ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, and the relationship are how the tables are linked together. Okay. So I will not discuss further on how to identify the attributes because you know already what are the attributes. Tama? When you say attribute, what does it mean? Jeno, what does it mean when you say attribute? You can hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
O, sige daw. Jeno, what is an attribute? Wala si Jeno. Jan na lang, Miliana. What is an attribute?
Ang mga date, pwede ma'am sa, each row.
Okay, the attributes are the property or information of that describe each table. Tama?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, whereas the entity, ano si entity? What is an entity? Okay, mga role. For example, and also the entity is the basic building block for the data model. It can be a place, a person, an event, or a thing. Okay? And it should be named, and you should use a singular noun and should be spelled in capital letters. So that remember ha, pag entity siya, it should be a singular noun and should be written in capital letters. Okay. And all entities have a name and a short description that explains what they are and the identifier to locate information in the entity. Tama? For each entity, meron ka dapat name and description and also an identifier. Okay. Now, these are the symbols used. So, what we're using now is the crow's foot, diba? Ito ang pinaka-popular na ginagamit natin, the crow's foot. So, the entity symbol is para siyang box. And then, okay? And then for the attribute naman, it is the type of information that is captured about an entity. For example, pwede siyang attribute si last name, home address, email address. And the attribute is easy to come up. Meaning to say, mas madali siyang ma-identify ang mga attributes for an entity. For example, your entity is a customer. So the attributes can be the eye color, the favorite hobby, religion, or affiliation. But remember that you will only include the attribute that is that will be used by a business process. So hindi kailangan you do not have to include all the attributes of a particular entity if it is not included or it is not necessary in the business process. Okay, do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
the attribute also are nouns that are used within an entity. Okay? So, normally or usually, to be able to identify kung saan siya na particular na entity na belong ang attribute, we normally include the first three letters or we append the first three letters to the beginning of the attribute. Like for example, cause underscore last name, meaning to say your last name belongs to the entity customer. Okay? Or cause address. So the address also belongs to the entity customer. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for example, ito. Okay. All the attributes in your customer starts with the first three letter. And remember, if you notice, capital letter yung tatlo. And then you write the attribute. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, for the first example, ito, it has a concatenated identifier. What do you mean by that? Pag sinabi mong concatenated na identifier, what does it mean? You just look at the example. Anong makita mo? What can you see in the example?
Mm, mas important na dapat meron yan na information dapat meron sa database, ma'am.
Okay? Ano pa? For this one. When you say concatenated, ibig sabihin you have two identifiers. Diba you would know that it is an identifier because of the asterisk. Tama? Or, pwede kasi siyang ganito na formal. Nandito yung mga key and then this is your field. Tama? If you write PK, meaning to say that is your primary key. You understand? So in this case,
Yes, ma'am.
you have two identifier. That's why it is called concatenated identifier. Okay, for the second example, we only have a single identifier because isa lang ang ating identifier or the primary key is only customer number. Okay? And then
Yes, ma'am.
also for ito siya, identifier to be added later, wala pa siyang na-identify na. Oh, if you notice, wala pa siyang asterisk. So what is the purpose of the identifier? Nida, who can answer? What is the purpose of the identifier? Why do you need to identify or you determine the primary key?
Kay bali mo to mag-serve as ilahang ano ma'am kay each customer man kay na ay unique na ID number. So bali mo na lang to mag-serve na kuan sa ila.
Na relationship.
Okay, so meaning to say, the identifier, the characteristic of identifier is number one, dapat siya, it should be unique. Tama? And it should not change. Okay? Diba? Once you enroll, for example, when you enrolled in a college or university, your ID number from the beginning will be your ID number for the entire kanang stay in the college or university. Tama?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Am I
ma'am.
correct? Even
Yes,
if you
ma'am.
enrolled in the master's degree or doctorate degree, the same ID number will be given to you. because that is already your identifier. So you can identify the customer just because of the primary key. Tama.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That is the reason also why, di ba, for example, you want to create an account. Tapos, pag-enter mo ng username, may error siya na the username is already taken. Bakit kaya?
Sa to, ma'am?
Diba, for example, when you create an account sa isang website, for example, tapos you have to input or create a username. Tapos pag nag-input ka na, ang nangyari, there's an error telling you that the username is already taken. What does it mean? Ano ibig sabihin? Bakit may maganyan instances?
Kay kuan ma'am, dili man pwede makasame kay ma-confuse man ang system kung kinsaan tag-iya ato na account.
Tapos, naka-unique na siya na nakabutang sa database, which is dapat dili na mag-usab-usab.
Okay. So meaning to say, the database uses the username as its primary key. Kasi pwede man hindi ang username ang gamitin mo. Tama? But in this case, if you create an account in any website or a particular website, if ever na may error gani na message na username is already taken, ibig sabihin, ang ginagamit nila is as the primary key or identifier is your username. You understand?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
That's hindi gani tayo pwede mag-change ng username. If hindi gani allowed mag-change ang username, meaning to say, primary key din yan siya ng database. Okay, so hindi necessary na ang username ang always na identifier. Pero depende na sa programmer. Mas comfortable kasi if they will use the username as the primary key in the creation of your account. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Diba, as a programmer, it's up to you kung ano yung kailangan na identifier na gusto nyong gamitin. Basta just remember that the characteristics of a primary key is that it should not change and it should be unique. Tama?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's proceed. So in the relationship, diba, we have two types of relationship. So we have the properties of relationship pala. So cardinality and the modality. When you say cardinality, it is the ratio of parent instances to the child instances. Tama?
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Nag-show screen ka, ma'am?
Oh, ano naman?
Wala, ma'am.
Okay na?
Yes, ma'am.
So when you say relationship, it is the associations between entities. Diba kaya tayo gumagawa ng mga entity and then a table and then we will identify kung anong relationship ng each entities. Okay? So remember that every relationship has a parent and a child entity. So when you write your ER diagram, ito siya, okay? the word on top represents relationship from parent to child. Ito naman siya is, if you read this one as mag-start ka sa child to parent. Okay? Uy,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. So sa cardinality, di ba? Ano ibig sabihin ng cardinality? What can you remember?
Kung
1:1 or 1:many. Meaning to say, you are identifying the ratio of parent instances to the child instances. Tama? So how do you determine the cardinality for a relationship? Huh? How would you determine the cardinality for a relationship?
Kung asa siya ma'am, maigo or ma-use.
Okay. Sinani siya ha. So you have to ask yourself how many instances of one entity are associated with an instance of the other. Okay, so you have to ask kung ilang instances ang associated sa isang entity. So para malaman mo kung one is too many or isa pa, 1:1 and no, pwede yung is to 1. Di ba always ang pag-read is parent to child? Or 1:many, 1:1, isa pa, many to many. Sab ka na.
Yes, ma'am.
Grado ha?
Yes, ma'am.
And the modality is ano siya? What is a modality? Kung required siya or optional. Uy, kasi
Yes,
na
ma'am.
ma'am,
pero pag sa inyo, good, when you make your database, diretso naman. Pag cardinality kung how many ang kung required ba siya or dili. Tama, diretso na siya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shortcut man sa inyo ha, di ba? However, pag magod ka sa normal na, especially pag propose ka, dapat you have to show your ER diagram. So in our case, part of your document, you should create an ER diagram. Pero dili siya inana ka detailed as compared to creating an ER diagram to be converted into database structure. You understand? Because we don't need to identify the type. We just need to identify the primary key. Okay? So, mas dali ang sa SAD.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Sige.
Yes, ma'am.
Diretso na ta ha. So, you know already what is a data dictionary. Tama, no? Because you need data dictionary para ano? To know the information and define the information about the entity. Okay, the information in the data dictionary is called the metadata. So when you say metadata, it is the data about the data. So anything that describes an entity, attribute, or relationships, it is called a metadata. So example would be entity names, attribute descriptions, relationship, and cardinality. Those are metadata. And it is included or placed in the data dictionary. So example, ito. Okay, so in your ERD element, the entity will have name, definition, special notes, user contact, analyst contact as the kind of metadata. Okay? For the attribute,
Yes, ma'am.
we have the kinds of metadata, same pa rin, name and definition. So example of the name is the item underscore UPC. We have also the alias item barcode. Example niya. And the sample values, ito rin siya. Sometimes when you create a program, binibigay na ng mga business organization ang kanilang data dictionary. So para alam mo kung ano yung mga kinds of metadata na ginagamit nila. Okay? Sa relationship, it should be a verb phrase. So pwede siya included in. Okay, sa parent entity, we have item. Sa child entity, sold item. Do you still follow?
Yes, ma'am.
So sa
Yes, ma'am.
cardinality, pwede tayong one is too many or sa modality is null. So when you say null, meaning to say it is not required. Meaning to say optional siya. Kung sa inyong database, 0 or many. Or 0 to 1, pwede siya. Di ba normally, when you identify the cardinality in your system, pwede minimum and maximum ang ginagamit ninyo?
Yes, ma'am.
Minimum 0 or maximum 1 or minimum 0 or maximum many. Tama?
Opo.
Same lang ganito siya. For the modality natin, pag minimum is 0, meaning to say that is null. Okay? Pag not null siya, meaning to say dapat required siya. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for example, ito. Yudabi, can you describe the relationship? What is the parent entity here? Anong parent entity? Can you tell me the parent entity?
Kanang loan chemical applicator, ma'am.
How did
Or
you know it
chemical,
is the parent entity?
Kay bali siya man mag-serve as kanang base, ma'am, para sa child.
Okay. Ano pa ang parent?
ang chemical request, ma'am.
Okay, the chemical record. Sige. Sige daw. Please describe the relationship ng LCA to chemical request.
Ang sa chemical request is, di ba, merong primary key na LCA
Mm-mm.
ID. So, sa non-chemical applicator, ang kailangan niyang gamitin din is yung ID para mag-relationship sila between sa chemical request pati lang chemical applicator. Well, same din sa chemical na ang ginagamit is yung CHMID, which is nasa present din sa chemical request. Nag-involve din siya sa chemical.
Okay. So, what is the cardinality in the relationship? Sige daw. This type of relationship, what is the cardinality?
One is to many. Ay, dili.
Saman.
One is to many, ma'am.
So, what is the modality?
Null, ma'am. Null man yung,
Okay, null. Di ba?
ma'am.
Tama.
Opo.
Kasi ito siya null man. So, ibig sabihin, the LCA...
Ma'am, choppy ka, ma'am.
Uy. Lang ha. Wala, wait lang yun. Wait lang yun. Kasaba. Wait lang ha.
Yes, ma'am.
Ano man yung gara na po akong internet. Wait lang. Kana okay na?
Okay na, ma'am.
Kana okay na? Wala nag... Hello? Okay, lang ha. Kana okay na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sana ganito na. Wala na po ako ang present.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Nawala, ma'am.
Okay. So, meaning to say, si LCA can request many, tama?
Yes, ma'am.
But the chemical request is requested only by one LCA. Tama?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yan
ma'am.
ay... Asa daw?
Yes, ma'am.
And then, it does not, kasi null man siya. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, it does not need for a chemical LCA to exist kahit wala siyang chemical request. Hindi kailangan ng chemical request para may exist si LCA. Tama? But si chemical request can only exist if there is an LCA. Do you understand?
Unsa to,
Yes,
ma'am?
ma'am.
Again ha? Diba? Sa relationship, we have to identify first the cardinality. So the cardinality here is one is too many. Tama?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ang modality niya is null,
Done.
which means that si LCA can exist without a chemical request. But si chemical request cannot exist without LCA. Kay one man ni siya din.
Okay, ma'am.
Meaning to say, kani siya, zero too many. So, ang minimum is 0 and the max is 1. Many, sorry. Tama?
Yes, ma'am.
Pag ganito naman na
Yes, ma'am.
relationship, ano siya? Ang minimum is 1 and the maximum is 1 also.
1.
Nasabtan wala.
Yes,
Ito,
ma'am.
ang mean is 0. The max is 1. Many, sorry. And then this one, the mean is 1.
1.
Max is also 1.
1.
And
Yes,
then
ma'am.
ito, what is our mean?
1 is to many gyapon na, ma'am. Then 1 is to 1 sa ano.
Ito ni? 0, 1. 0 many. Ito, 1 is to 1.
1 is to 1.
Tama?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So ano gani ang cardinality natin dito?
1 is, asa, ma'am.
Kani? This one. Ito na relationship. One is too many.
1 is to many, ma'am.
Diba?
Yes, ma'am.
Ito din is 1 is too many.
1 is to many.
Yes po.
Okay, na-understand ha?
Yes,
Huwag na
ma'am.
mo ani. Uy, diba?
Dili po, ma'am.
Dili pod,
Huwag na
ma'am.
mo ani. Ginapalibog lang ni mo. Ginapalibog lang ni ma'am. Di ba no? Bisaw na kayo
Dili,
mga
ma'am.
ni. Okay. Sige daw, be. Let's start. Hindi na tani. Wala na mo ani. So, advanced syntax na ta. So, there are different, two types of advanced syntax. The independent and the entity. So, how does it exist? Ang independent entity.
Murag, ma'am, kana na entity, ma'am, kay mag-exist siya without the help sa other
Other
entities.
entities. Okay? Meaning to say, these entities have all identifiers. Meron na siya that were created from their own attributes. That's why it is called independent entity. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
When a relationship includes an independent child entity, it is called a non-identifying relationship. Okay, example nito. Pag dependent ka naman, ano siya?
Dili ka pwede pag wala tong isa.
Okay, so kailangan niyo magkuha ka o laing identifier from other entity. Tama?
Yes, ma'am.
Example.
Yes,
ito.
ma'am.
Your chemical request is what? A dependent entity. Tama?
Yes,
Kasi
ma'am.
kailangan niya si LCA na ID and the chemical ID.
Chemical ID.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, ito siya is also an intersection entity. Kasi sometimes, di ba, we have a really cardinality na relationship na many to many. Ang problema mo good sometimes sa many to many is you cannot identify the specific ganing item. Iba kay many to many man. So it will create confusion. That's why you add an intersection entity para mas klaro na siya. Like here's example na to kanina last time. Wait lang ha, balik ko na to. Kani. This is an example of a many-to-many relationship. Di ba?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Many-to-many. Di ba libog siya kung kinsa nga LCA ang nag-request ani. Kung kunsa ni nga chemical para diri. That's why it was revise, we included an intersection entity. In the intersection entity, may nadagdag din na attribute. Like for example, meron na siyang request date and request quantity. So that you would know kung sino ang kailan siya ni-request at ano ang quantity. Pag ma-notice mo, di ba, meron siyang additional na identifier na request date. So ito yung ating intersection entity. To solve the many-to-many na problem. Nasabtan?
Yes, ma'am.
Kaya mo-confuse na ba si database kung unsa ang imuhang, di ba, kung mag-inquire ka na, ma-confuse na si database kung many-to-many ang imuhang relationship. Tama? So as much as
Yes,
possible, dapat ma-limit or ma-avoid ang many-to-many. So you have to think of adding in intersection entity. Saltan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay na?
Apa, ma'am.
Hindi na, ma'am.
How na chika ni sila ba? Sige daw.
Dili pa, ma'am, oy.
Let's
Sige
have
daw.
an example.
Should be
Yung
na.
sa tune source, iba naman eh. We will create an ER diagram for tune source. So in this case, given na ang DFD, all you have to do is create an ER diagram. So ano ang kailangan natin na entity? In this example. Ano isasali natin? What should be included in your entity?
Available tune.
Okay. Kasali si available tune. What else?
Shopping cart, ma'am.
Shopping cart? Bakit kailangan si shopping cart?
Di pod ko sure, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Ha? Saan na customer data store? Okay. What else?
Sales, ma'am.
Sales. Okay. What else?
Purchase, ma'am.
Purchase na, ang saman? Purchase na process?
Kanang tunes, ma'am, o dili sad.
Hindi.
Kanang
Data store?
Dili, ma'am, kanang two, ma'am.
Number. Gani?
Process man yan.
Process man yan.
Ay, gani, dili.
Oh. What should be included? If you are going to make a database for this particular system, what should be included as part of your entity?
Targeted promotions.
Okay, targeted
Customer
promotion,
favorites.
customer favorites,
Customer interest.
customer interest,
Tapos shopping cart din, ma'am.
shopping cart. Kailangan natin ang shopping cart.
Dili man ata, ma'am.
Sure daw.
Marag, dili naman kay ang
Sorry?
nakabutan naman sa shopping cart is tunes to buy lang man. So, ulay lain na
So how would you choose an entity na dapat included? Paano mo siya ma-examine?
Kailangan mo ka ng
Like for example, inani ha, di ba when you order sa Amazon, di ba? There are a lot of customers, daghan po sila different orders. So how do you think that they be able to identify or keep track kung ano yung mga order ng individual customer. They create different tables for each. Tama?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So definitely, pag ganito siya, you have to include the data stores. Kasi doon natin in-store ang mga data. Tama na mga kailangan.
So, appeal na si shopping cart, ma'am.
Okay. Si shopping cart, if you examine, ano ang meron sa shopping cart na kailangan natin?
Like, items na gipalit ni, ma'am, ni customer.
Pero naa naman na diri sa imuhang diri sales. Di ba? Remember na sa shopping cart nimo, pag once na imo na siyang gi-purchase, mawala siya. Tama?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, so therefore, dili siya i-appeal sa imuhang entity.
Okay, ma'am.
Tama ba?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Kaya,
What are the external entity natin? Data store man yan na-identify. So, can we add another Do we have any other sa external entity ang ating i-examine? If you analyze external entity, ano mga external entity dito? We have what?
Marketing managers.
Customer and the marketing manager. Sige daw. Do we need to include the marketing manager in your entity? ERD, sige daw. Kailangan siya include or hindi?
sa to, ma'am.
Do we need to include the marketing manager in your ERD? Kailangan ba natin ng information niya?
Dili, ma'am.
Why? Why? Okay, siguro, later on, we can include the sales manager or marketing manager para makuha nimo to iya mga access katong mga password. Pero, that will be later on kung gamito na ang system. Okay, if you have already created a physical data flow diagram, ang ginagawa pa lang natin is from the logical DFD. So, hindi pa siya kasali. Because the information needed lang in the marketing manager, yung kanyang user password, di ba? Kung gamitin na ang system. Do you understand?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
customer lang sa ma'am.
Okay, so data store lang. Tapos si customer kasi, that is already included in your customer na data store. Tama? So, dili na kailangan ng redundant. Ala, putol-putol.
Dili man ma'am.
Okay,
sige na.
ma'am.
Okay na?
Nawala
So, how
ka,
many?
ma'am.
Hello? Hello? Dana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sige. So, what would be our entity? So, kasali si targeted promotion, customer favorites, customer interest. What's the difference between customer favorites and customer interest? Bakit siya nakaseparate ng data store? Bakit separate ang kanyang database? Why do you think so? Huh? Related to what? Oh, so therefore they have different attributes. Is that what you're saying? Okay, anong difference ni interest and favorite? Sige daw, for example, if you're a customer, how would you identify na ay marketing manager? So how would you identify na favorite siya and then interest siya?
Ang interest, ma'am, is most lagi mo gina-search. Kung maglabas siya sa recommendations mo na ito ang mostly gina-search mo. So, murag mas interested ka sa ana na topic, while ang favorites
Okay.
is specific, ma'am, na
Imo siyang
gusto nimo.
ibutang gid sa favorite, murag inana, di ba? Whereas sa interest, makita na
Yes,
ni
ma'am.
okay, makita na niya na you are interested in that particular tune. Kaya ginapaminaw naman nimo. Whereas sa favorite, imo na siyang ibutang gyud sa inyo, di ba? Like for example, sa mga mail, you put star para yun yung mga favorite or yun yung kunwari yun yung mga future purchase,
Yes, ma'am.
di ba?
Yes,
Whereas sa
ma'am.
interest, parang meron ka lang parang gi-search mo lang siya na meron ka interest. So therefore, kailangan siya ng ng system mo to identify kung ano yung mga tunes na pwede nilang mabigyan ka ng promotion. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yun na. So let's try to draw the relationship of this different entity. Sige daw. Ito lang ha. Kita niyo screen?
Yes,
Sige.
ma'am.
Actually, I've already created a ganing attributes para diretso na ta. Okay. For the sales, ito yung ating tatlong attribute. And what is our identifier is the sale ID number. Tama?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Baka, wait. Okay. How about sa customer? These are the attributes of the entity.
Yes, ma'am.
Ito. Tapos, ito. The promo code. Ito kaya. What is our identifier?
Kanang
Ang
pinakauna, ma'am.
og ang
Kanal.
ikuha, ma'am.
Ha?
Og ang tune ID, ma'am.
What else?
O kanang Kana tanan, ma'am. Kanang
Okay,
fifth date created.
Kailangan man siya, di ba? Para you would know kung ano yung mga favorite niya. So, how would you know? Dapat alam mo yung customer number. Tapos, you know already, you also the tune ID and also the date it was created. The favorite that, the date that it was created. Okay? Yan tatlo.
Okay, ma'am.
How about ito? Customer interest.
Same pod, ma'am. Kana
Ang
tanan.
tulo pod, ma'am.
How about this? Isa lang.
Isa
Tama.
lang, ma'am.
Okay, sige na daw. So what are, anong entity dito na ang parent? Parent entity. What is the parent entity?
Ang customer, ma'am.
Customer and,
Available tune.
okay. So malaman mo siya because if you look at the attributes, di ba? May mga attributes siya na ginamit sa customer favorite at saka sa customer interest. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sige daw. Let's start. So what is the relationship between the customer and the sale?
One is to one.
Huh? Diba in this case, a customer may make many sales, but a sale can be made by only one customer. Tama?
Yes,
Meaning,
ma'am.
si customer, pwede siya mag-palit o daghan. Pero ang isa ka sale is
Can be done
related
by
only
only one
to
customer.
one customer. So
Yes, ma'am.
therefore, ang cardinality would be what?
One is too many.
Ang start nato is, kusga Geno.
Ano,
One
ma'am?
is too many, ma'am.
One is too
Huh?
many, ma'am.
One is too
Many.
many. Pero, kaubat ang modality.
Ah, um, ang modality, ma'am, kay dili siya null. Tama.
Siya to Geno? Geno?
Ma'am,
Siya to?
ang modality, ma'am, is dili siya null. Tama.
Kung ang gawin natin, tawag ito minimum and maximum.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay daw. Ito. What is the minimum sa relationship ni customer to sale? Kailangan ba mag-exist can the customer exist kahit walang sale. So what is our minimum?
1.
So kailangan yun na i-sale bago na si customer mag-exist?
0, ma'am.
O 0. Tapos what is our maximum?
Many, ma'am.
Okay. So 0 to many ito. Tama?
Very good.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. Mas dali niya na una. Ito, what is the minimum?
Saan, ma'am?
For the sale to customer.
1:1, ma'am.
Okay. Minimum niya is 1. Maximum is also
Maximum.
1. 1, 1, 1.
mali akong nabutang endpoint na dito. Wait lang ha. Tama.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is our ano to siya? Therefore, the customer makes, tama? Makes a
Yes,
sale.
ma'am.
And
Yes.
then, baliktad ta. And then a sale is, a sale is made by the customer.
Made by
Tama?
the customer. Yes, ma'am.
Sabtan. Okay,
Yes,
next.
ma'am.
Ito na naman tayo. What is the relationship customer to target promotion? What is our minimum and maximum? Minimum muna tayo. Customer to target promotion. Ay, baliktad. Target promotion pala to customer.
One is to many, ma'am.
Minimum tayo is, kailangan ba ng customer, hindi mag-exist si customer pag walang target promotion? Kung 1 is to many ka?
Ay, pwede naman wala si customer, ma'am.
Pwede wala si customer?
Ha?
Or pwede
Wait lang,
wala
ma'am.
si target promotion?
Pwede wala si target promotion.
Okay,
ma'am.
so dapat,
Ay, baliktad.
baliktad ka. So dapat, ang relationship niya is, what?
0. Medyo.
0 to,
Many.
okay, tama? 0
Yes,
to many
ma'am.
siya.
Ma'am.
Okay? Tapos, how about the relationship ni 0 to many ni. How about ang relationship ni target customer to customer? What is the
1.
minimum?
1, ma'am.
1.
1. Okay. Maglagutan na ba? Sigurado
One.
na or dili? What is the maximum?
1 din, ma'am.
Okay. So,
1 is to
for
1.
each, kasi ito siya, for each target promotion, isa din ang customer na kailangan, di ba? So,
Yes,
ang maximum mo is, ang minimum is 1, ang maximum is also 1.
1.
Okay, sige daw. So, what should be our, sana? A customer is, ano man, is targeted
Is
by a promotion. Tama? And
Yes,
then,
ma'am.
ano sa baba?
Promotion targets a customer.
And then, sa baba is, what?
Promotion targets a customer.
So, targets. So this is the relationship, ha? Next,
Ma'am.
ito. Customer and customer favorite. What is the relationship? Dito muna tayo. Minimum and maximum.
1:1.
Customer to customer
Ah.
favorite.
1 is to
One is
Our
many.
minimum. Ha? So, when you say 1 is to many siya, ibig sabihin ito dito, ang minimum mo is, para mag-exist si customer, ano ang minimum for
1.
customer favorite? 1? So,
Ay,
mean to say,
joke.
hindi mag-exist si customer pag walang customer favorite?
Zero.
Okay, 0 to?
Hello, ma'am.
0 to? What is the
Many.
maximum? Many. Very good. So, dapat, zero to many. Tama? How about customer favorite to customer?
Many to many, ma'am.
Many to many nga naman.
I joke.
Sige daw, i-analyze.
Kasi ang customer favorite kay pwede madami sa isa ka customer.
O, pero dapat, ano siya? Ano ang relationship niya? Ano ang minimum?
Isa, ma'am.
Isa tapos maximum?
1 din, ma'am.
Many.
Okay, 1 din. Ano na many
Ay,
man daw?
wrong.
Sige daw.
Gani, ma'am.
Ano na many man? I-explain daw na Laimi.
Ang ako, ma'am, kay...
Sige.
Kung ma'am kay... Pwede daghan na customer na daghag favorite o moto, ma'am.
Diba? Ang relationship
oo.
is, a customer creates many favorite.
Yes,
Hmm.
ma'am.
For, diba? But a favorite is created by only one customer.
Ay,
Yes, ma'am.
Diba? Tama?
Yes, ma'am.
Ha?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, meaning to say, ang tama na to ang ano ni. A customer, what? Adds
A customer adds
customer favorite, tama? And then, ang customer favorite is what?
customer favorites.
Has.
Siya man.
Ha?
Customer favorite is added. Di ba? Is added by the customer.
By the
Tama?
customer.
Mo na
Yes,
siya
ma'am.
yung action na ginawa niya, di ba? A
Yes,
customer
ma'am.
makes a sale and a sale is made by the customer. In this case na naman, a customer adds a customer favorite and then a customer favorite is added by the customer. Tama?
Yes, ma'am.
Importante ni siya. So, kung wala ninyo ni ginahimo sa inyong pag-create og database, importante siya sa SAD. Okay? Next. Dito na, relationship ni customer and customer interest. Bini mo muna, customer to customer interest.
One is to many, ma'am.
1, so kailangan talaga may customer
Zero
interest
is
si
to
customer. Ikaw ni Jutsi. Ha?
Zero, ma'am.
Okay.
Zero,
So,
one, zero.
0 to
Many, ma'am.
many. Oh. Jutsi, Laimi ba? So, 0 to many. And then, eto,
1 is to 1, ma'am.
One is to one, ma'am.
okay.
Tama na, ma'am.
Tama. 1 is to 1. So, meaning to say, a customer can create many
Interest.
Interest,
Okay,
ma'am.
but the interest is created by only one customer.
Customer.
That's why 1, ha?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So, therefore, ano yung ating action dito? Customer creates, tama?
Yes, ma'am.
Creates Tapos, naman ang action ni customer interest.
Is created by the customer.
Okay. Howd na kay si Geno ba?
Ay, dili mo man.
Is
Gani, ma'am. Siya na mag-answer
created
sunod, anak, ma'am.
by. Okay, so dapat meron siyang mga action sa
Yes,
para
ma'am.
alam
Ma'am.
natin kung ano ang... Okay na. Next. Dito, available tune and customer interest. What is the relationship?
0 to many, ma'am.
0 to
Many.
many. Okay, so meaning to say, an available tune may be included in many customers' favorite. But a favorite can only is included only by one customer. Tama?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so therefore this is pwede ako mag-click. Na. And how about the relationship ni tune to customer favorite?
1:1,
1
ma'am.
is to 1 yapon, ma'am.
Okay.
Howd na kay sila mi, ma'am?
Howd na kay sila mi.
Ma'am, mas how jud si Jeno, ma'am. Siya go'y naka-answer halos tanan. Tama pa jud.
Okay. So ano man ang ating action dito?
Available tune.
Man. Is listed in, diba? A tune, an available tune is listed in the customer favorite. Tama?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
And then, isa man, ang iyang isa ka action. Okay.
List, ma'am.
Okay. List.
Lists.
So, yun lang man, di ba, ang mga action? Basta masugdan lang isa, makuha na nimo ang sa baba.
Masundan na.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
okay.
Kay naaraman siya sa ano.
O,
Yes.
di ba, ma'am? Howd kay sila mi, ma'am?
Oh, gani. Explain yun. Okay.
Mas
Next. Available tune to customer interest. What is the
0 to
relationship?
many, ma'am.
0 to many, ma'am.
Biyawan na gid. Meaning to say, an available tune may be asa man ta? Included man data, no? Asa ano
Yes,
naman
ma'am.
data customer interest? So
Customer
customer can
interest.
create many customer interest, but the interest is created by only one customer.
Customer.
Okay.
Had na jud kay si Jeno.
Dili, nagsunod-sunod na ko kay ma'am.
Ito mo lang eh. Wala din ako makita. Mahawad na mo, ani. Anad mo kayo mong shortcut.
Ay.
Okay, tapos, next. Ano what is the relationship?
1 is to 1, ma'am.
Okay. What is the action? Naman.
Is included
Oh.
in.
Dahod to na yun ni Geno. Uy.
Wow, kahawd ni
Mm.
Jeno, oy.
Nasugdan man ganina mo. Nasundan man
Tapos?
sa is listed. Then, includes.
Yung po na si Geno.
Da, lihira jud.
Ma'am, di ba naman tayo assignment
Perfect.
sila may katong mag-drawing?
Oh, karon mag ano na siya.
Patay
Jeno,
di ka karon.
Next, meron pa palang isang relationship, di ba? Meron tayong relationship with the target promotion papuntang available tune. Dapat atay relationship aniwan ako nabutangan. Di ba? Kay para sa marketing,
Yes, ma'am.
Sige. So, what is the relationship? Ay, nagsunda ha?
Target promotion.
Mali na to, be. Wait, ang sugod. Sige. What is the relationship ni available tune and targeted promotion?
1:many, ma'am.
Dito muna tayo. Ito, kailangan ng target promotion bago mag-exist si tune? What is our
0
minimum
to
value?
many, ma'am.
Okay, 0 to many.
Di ba? Haki sila ni ma'am.
Nila yun.
Dili.
Makabuhat na sila gwapo na capstone po kuno.
Oh, makahimo na gina sila. Ako nga capstone.
Ma'am, si Jeno, good to, ma'am.
Yun na may idea sa iyong capstone.
Sila ni ma'am.
Wala.
Ano siya? Pabuhat na siya
Ma'am.
dokyo.
Char.
Summer, hapit na ba? Summer na.
Gani, ma'am. Unta, ma'am, kay dili na online.
Oo, tama. Lisod siya. Lisod siya pag online. Actually.
Ayaw, ma'am.
Gani, ma'am.
So, di na siguro. Ina na siguro yung vaccine. Diba?
Unta,
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so, ano to? Ito, April bito. Oh, dili, uy. Ang summer starts sa July. Para itong sa tuwang summer, July man, di ba? Ay, depende.
Ay, ano na dyan
Dili,
ni
uy,
ma'am?
dili,
Change
kay
na dyan.
maputol man, di ba? August man ta nag-start for first sem
Yes, ma'am.
until December.
Yes, ma'am.
Tapos, ang second sem is January
Ah.
until May. So, mga June siguro. June or
Ah.
July. Kay dili man pwede na magbalik tag summer kay putol na ato ang number of months.
Gani, ma'am.
Nausab
Yes,
gid
ma'am.
ang ato ang napareho na gitaan na mag-start og August. So what is our action here? Promotes.
Promote
Tama?
si tune, ganun.
Tapos,
Is promoted.
dami gid ni Geno.
Sana all.
Is
Ay.
promoted. Okay? Next. Meron din tayong relationship ni sale and available na tune. Tama?
Yes, ma'am.
Ang hirap pa. What is our relationship? What is our maximum here?
0, ma'am. Ay, many.
0 to. Tapos
Many.
ang minimum, ang maximum is many, ang minimum is 0.
0.
Diba? So hindi man
Yes, ma'am.
necessary na may sale para may exist si available tune. Tama?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So therefore, this is 0 to many. And then, how about the relationship nito? Sale to available tune.
1:1.
Ano 1:1 man?
Joke. Tatik na, ma'am. Wait lang, ma'am. Mag-analyze ako.
Pero required siya. Parang ano ang kanyang minimum muna? What is our minimum? Sale to available tune.
1.
1. Tapos, what is our maximum? Many. Kaya pwede man, diba? A tune is required for a sale, but a sale is not required for a tune. So, therefore, pero pwede ka daghang, tune. Pero,
Yes, ma'am. Isa ka
required siya for
sale.
a sale. Okay? So, therefore, this is 1 to many. Tama?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, therefore, ano ang ating action? A sale, what?
Sale.
Available tune, what? Involves,
Ha?
diba? Involves a sale. And then,
Then sa Pika Sky
sa baba.
is involved.
is involved in.
Yes, ma'am.
So, wala na siya. Diba, dali lang? So, if you want to, para ma-import nimo siya sa MySQL, dagdagan mo na lang ng type and katong mga primary key niya na PK, tapos pag-import nimo diretso na siya. So, we're done
Yes,
with
ma'am.
ERD. Question. So, please check your classroom, ha? Kay I've already posted activities na dapat na siya mga for submission. Okay? So, by next meeting, maybe we will have a short na exercise involving ER diagram and DFD. So, sometimes inani ako hatag. Kunwari, given na ang level 0 and then you create a context diagram. Sometimes given na si context diagram, then you create a level 0 diagram. Or sometimes given na si level 0 diagrams, then you create a level 1 diagram. You understand?
Okay, yes,
Ang
ma'am.
ER, dali raman ang ER diagram. As ang pinaka ano lang niya, ang struggle lang is to identify the entity na dapat involved or included, di ba? Pero pag once na-identify na ang mga entity, madali na lang maghanap ng mga attributes based on the entity. So dapat when you identify entity, dapat you have to analyze properly if if the information is really needed sa inyong business process. Pag hindi gani siya kailangan, huwag niyo na siyang isali. And again, ang entity, pag isa lang ang kanyang attribute, huwag mo na siyang isa lang kanyang instance, I'm sorry. Pag isa lang ang instance ng entity, then it is not an entity. Di ba dapat maging entity lang siya pag maraming instances. Ano ganyan instances? Instances are the specific example of the entity. Like for example, si customer. Pwede si customer, si Laimi, si Jeno, si John, si Gulanes. Those are example of instances. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So tandaan
Yes,
ha,
ma'am.
ang entity siya, you can include it as an entity. So first mo i-examine are the data store. Kasi ang data store, siya ang importante siya for the entity. Kasi doon mo ma-store yung mga data. Now, not all data store should be included in the entity or ER diagram. Tapos, after ma-identify ang mga data store, next thing that you should examine, the external entities. Like for example, si customer or si manager or si salesperson. So, kung kailangan yung information sa kanya, so dapat kasali siya sa entity. Pag hindi siya kasali. Do you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay na? I-share lang nako ang notes sa classroom. Any question?
Clarification lang, ma'am.
Sige.
Sa minimum, ang 0 is for optional lang, di ba, ma'am? While ang 1 is mandatory.
Oh, yes. Tama.
So,
So, hindi siya mag-exist pag hindi mag-exist yung isang entity. Yan yung null or required. Pag 0 siya, pwede wala. Pwede meron. Pero
Wala to sa
optional siya.
modality, ma'am.
Sa
Oo.
modality mo na siya ang modality. Null and not null. Pag 0 siya, meaning to say null. Pag 1 siya, meaning to say not null.
So,
Meaning to
required.
say dapat required siya. Pag 0, optional.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Else?
katong
Oh.
sa pagbuhat good aning ma'am ERD kay gikan di ba dito sa ma'am sa katong
Sa-
process
Oh.
ang data store lang jud imuhang kuan ma'am para makahimo ka sa ERD nimo.
Dili, di ba? Ingo ko ganina, you still have to examine ang mga external entity.
Yes ma'am,
Pero
wala ko
definitely,
ma'am
si
kay-
data store, appeal yun siya. Pero
okay.
dili, not all data store should be included. I-analyze pa rin siya. Iba,
Yes,
di ba,
ma'am.
sa DFD natin, kasi may data store man na shopping cart. Pero si shopping cart mo, good, hindi siya permanent. Diba?
Yes ma'am.
Mawala man siya. Pag once na, pag binili mo na siya, nawawala na doon sa shopping cart. Parang temporary siya. Tama?
Yes ma'am.
So, you
Sige,
will
ma'am.
not include the shopping cart.
Okay ma'am, sige ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you ma'am.
Oh, what else? Wala na. So, meaning to say, na-understand na. Yun. Ha? Sigurado?
Ang ako alang gikalibugan ma'am kay kanang ibutang sa ERD pero na-explain naman nimo. Thank you ma'am.
Okay. What else? How about the others? Diba na yung question? So, kaya na, you can now create your ER diagram sa proposed na project. So, by next meeting, you present na ha, mag-breakout session ta by next meeting. Para hindi na lang, you have to present your work sa ano na siya, katunagan ng DFD, kasi yun ang tingnan natin, DFD, ERD, and system request. Dapat kailan yan ang schedule natin for final presentation of your terminal output? October 5? October 5 ba? Please check your classroom daw.
Wait lang, ma'am.
Okay, this is our last topic.
Oh.
Nagamit ba kayo aside sa schedule natin na time?
Sa group chat, ma'am.
So dapat by next meeting makita ko na ang progress. Nag-start na kayo nag-submit ng mga deliverable?
Wala pa ma'am.
Sige daw, paki-start na daw para ma-check na nako daan.
Mao man ito imong bag-o lang gi-post ma'am no.
Pero ang previous na mga deliverable like katong 1 until 6 naman siguro ang deliverable.
Napasa na to,
Ay,
ma'am.
napasa
Napasa
na to
na.
ma'am.
Okay na to.
Kadi na lang
Okay,
updated na imuhang gi-post wala pa.
Okay. Sige. Good. Kay para at least kailan ang schedule natin for final presentation? Naka-post ko wala.
Asa
Yan.
makita ma'am sa classwork?
Sa classwork. Siguro wala pa ako
Ang
naka-post.
pinaka-last ma'am kay data modeling then TLA 12 og 11 nakabutang.
So dapat ang final presentation nato should be on October 6. Wait a minute. October 6. Okay na? So that the revision can be done after the presentation. 1 day lang ang presentation. So, siguro maybe mga 3 hours kita na mahuman. And then, the final submission of your document will be on October 8.
Gikan sa sugod na mga document ma'am no.
Katuganing, tama. I-post na ko I will post actually, if you open the course pack, nag-post na ko, sa pinakadulo na dito ang template for the final document. Ako na lang sigurong ilahi para dili na mo maglibog o pangita. Okay? So, I will
Okay, ma'am.
post the
Thank you, ma'am.
final template or the template for the final requirements to be submitted by October 8. So, it is just a compilation of all the deliverable.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Ay, ma'am.
Oh,
Unsa gani itong sa October 6, ma'am, tong
presentation.
so pero
Pero
ay
na-comment
mag-asa
siya
ko.
for corrections. So
Ah,
therefore,
okay.
i-revise siya and then after the revision, after the presentation, you submit the final document, na revised document on October 8. On or before
Ma
October 8.
okay. Muna na siya mong final exam,
Finals.
ma'am, or
Oo. Wala
napay
na.
separate? Ay, muna siya.
Wala na siya. Oh.
Ah, sige. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Any other concerns?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Mm-mm.
Kanang
Yes.
dokyo ra mong ipasa sa imo, ma'am.
Unsa daw?
Dokyo la mo ipasa sa imo katong mga
Oh, but you have to present your application during the presentation.
Ah, okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Questions?
None so far, ma'am.
Okay, if there's no more question, Miss Alimanya, can you lead the prayer?
So let us pray. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Glory be to the Father, and to the Son, and to the Holy Spirit, as it was in the beginning, is now, and ever shall be, world without end. Amen. Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Bye, class.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.